Hello, everyone. Welcome to New Tech. I am with another quick tutorial. How to fix Secure Boot is missing from device security and BIOS menu. Now, let's start. Go to the Start menu and restart your computer. Then, go to the BIOS of your computer. Now, select the Settings option from the BIOS. After that, go to the Advanced. Then, go to Windows OS Configuration. Here, BIOS mode is selected as CSM. First, we have to set the BIOS mode as UEFI, then we enable Secure Boot. Now, press the Enter key, and select UEFI. After that, go to Save and Exit Setting. And, select Save Changes and Reboot. Then, select Yes. Again, go to Windows OS Configuration, from the BIOS setting. Then, go to Secure Boot. Here, Secure Boot is disabled. Now, press the Enter key, and select Enable. After that, save all the changes, and restart your computer. Now, check the Windows device security settings. Great. It's working. Okay. That's it for today. I will see you in the next tutorial, with amazing and interesting topics. And, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel.